In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a treble puff stitch. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to work into the next stitch right here. I'm gonna jump one just to make it easier for myself, and the pattern will define how many times that you need to work in that to create your puff stitch. So it's just, we're gonna wrap the hook twice, and then you're gonna go in and you're gonna pull through and then pull through 2 and 2 and hold it. And let's just say the pattern said to do that 3 times. So let's wrap twice and coming in, pull through 2 and 2 and do it one more time. Now if you yarn over and pull through all 3 of these, that would be a cluster, or sorry, all 4, that would be a cluster. To do a puff stitch you're gonna yarn over and only pull through the first 3, leaving the last one untouched, and then yarn over and pull through the final 2. That would be a treble puff stitch. So let's just say I wanna do it again. So let's just go here, wrap twice, and we're gonna do that a total of 3 times and just keep on collecting. I've seen this in patterns myself. I've actually designed patterns with this particular stitch as well. So you got your 3 in there. So to do the puff stitch you're only gonna pull through the first 3. So yarn over, pull through the 3, and then yarn over and pull through the final 2. So that would be how you would do the treble puff stitch.